In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from OneDrive on your PC. Managing space and keeping your files organized is essential to maintaining an efficient workflow, and sometimes that means deleting files you no longer need. So let's dive into the process, ensuring that you know exactly how to do it without any hassle. First, head over to your File Explorer on your PC. You can do this by clicking the folder icon typically located on your taskbar. Once opened, take a look at the left pane and find the blue OneDrive icon. Clicking on this icon will give you direct access to your OneDrive files stored locally on your computer. After you're in the OneDrive folder, scroll through and locate the file or folder you want to delete. Once you've identified it, go ahead and select it. A simple click should do the trick. Now that your file or folder is selected, there are several ways you can proceed to delete it. The most straightforward method is to right-click on the selected item and select Move to Trash from the drop-down menu. This action sends the file to your system's recycle bin. Alternatively, if you prefer using shortcuts, you can simply press the Delete key on your keyboard, which will achieve the same result. Another option is to use the File Explorer's toolbar. Navigate to the Home tab at the top, where you'll find a Delete button. Click this button to remove the selected file. Now, it's important to note that when you delete a file in this manner, it's not permanently gone just yet. It moves to the OneDrive recycle bin. This gives you a bit of a safety net in case you change your mind and decide you need the file back. If you're interested in deleting files directly from the OneDrive website, the process is slightly different but just as simple. Open your preferred web browser, navigate to the OneDrive website, and sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. Once logged in, browse for the file or folder you wish to delete and select it by clicking on it. Look towards the top bar where you'll see yet another Delete button. Click it, and just like in File Explorer, the file will be transferred to the recycle bin. To ensure these items are gone for good, you'll need to navigate to the recycle bin on OneDrive and empty it. This step is crucial for permanently removing your files and freeing up space. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your OneDrive storage with confidence, knowing how to delete unwanted files both locally and online. Thanks for watching, and be sure to handle your files responsibly.